In this video, we will look at the serial I/O symbol in SIMPL, speed key SIO. We will begin with a new simple program already started with a touch panel added and open in the detail view. First, we need to bring an SIO into our program. Start by expanding the Logic Symbols folder in the symbol library. Then locate and expand the serial folder. Within the serial folder, locate the serial I/O symbol. Click, hold, and drag and drop the SIO into the Logic folder in the program view. Double-click the SIO to expand it into the detail view. The SIO comes in complete, even though we have not done anything to complete it. We do see RX $, Enable, TX $, and Delimiter are optional. Below RX $, and Enable is an expandable input that can accommodate up to 999 additional inputs. To the right of the input is an STR value. There can be 999 of them. Dropping down a line, we have STR2 with a value parameter to its right. There can be up to 999 of them. To the right of that is a digital output. There is a lot of functionality in the SIO, and it has a unique set of rules. It can transmit serial strings on the TX $, from the corresponding parameter STR1 on the rising edge of the input. It can also append a delimiter to each STR parameter. The SIO can also listen to the RX signal and compare it to the STR2 parameter and raise the corresponding digital output on a match. The outputs will remain high until the match no longer exists. When RX $ is compared to a parameter, the comparison starts at the leftmost characters of RX $. If the characters match between RX $ and the parameter value, the corresponding output will go high. If at any point during the comparison the character positions do not match, the output will go low and remain there. We will add some signals and parameters to explain this further. In this example, the RX $ will get the signal name of SIO-RX. We will add 2 more outputs to the SIO for a total of 3. The first parameter will be DVD, and the output will be named SIO Output 1. The second parameter will get Select Space DVD, and that output will get SIO Output 2. The third parameter will get DVD space on, and the output will be named SIO Output 3. When SIO receive contains DVD on, SIO Output 1 will go high on the comparison of the first 3 characters, and the output will then go low when the 4th character comes in and there is no match. SIO Output 2 will remain low. SIO Output 3 will go high and stay high as it matches character for character. If the same DVD on appears on the SIO receive, all outputs will go low. Then SIO Output 1 will again go high and then low as the comparisons progress. This ensures that if the same data is received again, the simple program will be aware. Looking at the transmit functionality of the SIO, we will add a second input line using Alt+. On the first input line, we will add a signal named SIO Trigger 1. The corresponding parameter will get a value of hello! On the second input, we will add a signal named SIO Trigger 2. The corresponding parameter will get a value of goodbye. The SIO's TX $ will get a signal name of SIO TX. On the rising edge of SIO Trigger 1, hello! Will be sent to the SIO TX signal name. On the rising edge of SIO Trigger 2, goodbye will be sent to the SIO TX signal. Within the parameters, values may just be entered. Embedded spaces in the string are included. If a blank or a single space is required, quotes must be placed around it in order for it to be used. This completes the video on the SIO symbol in simple programming.